voiceover goes to some, it's one of the finest film I've ever seen in documentary section in India. Murmurs of the Jungle, it's a Marathi film. Narrator Sumant Sinde. Best music direction, I think we all can predict. I mean, we have been hearing his music all around. Fursat, Leisure, in Hindi, music director Vishal Bhardwaj. Best editing, it's a very interesting short film. Madhyantara, Intermission, it's a Kannada language film. Editor Suresh Urs. Suresh Urs. Best sound design, Yan, Vehicle. Hindi and Malawi language, sound designer Manas Chaudhary. Best cinematography, again, it's Mono No Aware. It's in Hindi and English. Cinematographer Siddharth Diwan. Best direction, which is another beautiful film we saw. It's a Bengali, Hindi, English. From the Shadow, director Mariam Chandy Menacheri. Sorry if I'm pronouncing wrong. So Mariam Chandy. Best short film up to 30 minutes. Again, the pronunciation is difficult. It's a Ohomia name. Unyota. So that's Xunyota. I mean, we call it Shunyota. It's Sunyota actually, but they pronounce like that. It's producer HM Production, director Navapan Deka. Best animation film, A Coconut Tree. It's a silent film. Producer JB Productions, director and animator Josie Benedict. Sorry, I hope we can hear it clearly. If not, you can ask me again, please. Best non-feature film promoting social and environmental values. I think this was one film which, we all had tears when the film got over. There were unsung heroes who are doing such wonderful work to save the planet. So the film name is On the Brink Season 2, Gharial. It's in English language. Producer, the Gaia People. Director, Akansha Shoot Singh. Best documentary, like I said, something really incredible we saw, which has pushed all the boundaries, how they have treated the film. Best documentary, Murmurs of the Jungle, Marathi, producer-director Sahil Vaidya. Best arts and culture film, it's shared by two different films. First one is, I think the award is also shared with both of them, certificate also. So first one is Ranga Vivoga, Temple Dance Traditions in Karnataka, okay. Producer Puranik Productions, director Sunil Narasimhachar Puranik. And second one is Varsha Legacy. It's a Marathi film, producer and director Sachin Balasaheb Suryavanshi. Best biographical, historical reconstruction and compilation film goes to Anaki Ek Mohenjo-daro. It's a Marathi film, producer De Goan Studio, Ashok Rane Productions, director Ashok Rane. It's quite an eye-opening film to see the meal cultures in Mumbai. So now the best debut director, which is best debut film of a director, goes to, again, Madhyantara, Kannada film, director Basti Dinesh Shenoy. Best non-feature film, which is the top award here, all formats of non-feature films, documentaries, shorts, animation, which is eligible for this category. So the best film we choose goes to Aina, Mirror, producer Te Films, director Siddhant Sarin. So that's all in non-feature category. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. I would now request Shri Rahul, sir, to kindly announce the awards for the feature film section.
Good afternoon. Before announcing the awards, I would like to introduce you to the jury who has worked very, very hard, and they deserve a lot of applause for what they've done. So if they can just stand up when I go through the names. Shri Romi Mehti, just stand up a minute. Mr. Dilip Kumar Pandya, Mr. P. Sukumar, Dr. Anurag Singh, Shri Yatindra Mishra, Shri Subhajit Mitra, Shri B. Shivanand, Anmol Bhave, Rajesh Tachriva. Okay, now coming to the awards. Whose name? Sir, why have they left your name out? Somebody doesn't like you, I think. Mr. R.V. Uday Kumar. Sorry, my fault. My fault, sir. It's not that I forgot you. I could not forget you because you all had a very, very big hand in us coming to this. I'm really sorry about this, sir. And I'd also like to thank the Joint Secretary, Vrinda, for putting us in this competition to really judge the films and for all the help extended, and by the director, Indrani Bose, for really helping us. Thank you. Okay, let's come to the awards. I'm starting with the special mention. There are two special mention awards. First special mention is given to the film Gulmohar, specifically the actor Manoj Bajpayee. Manoj has had a long career and has done tremendous work, and he deserves this kind of honor, which I think we've done. The second special mention is for Kadikan, Malayalam music director Sanjay Salil Chaudhary, the son of the eminent music director Salil Chaudhary. Then we come into the regional languages. There is the best Tiva film. The Tiva film is called Sikasal, If Only Trees Could Talk, which is directed by Bobby Sarma Barua. The best Telugu film of the year is Karthike 2. Producer Avish Agarwal and director Chandu Mondeti. The best Tamil film is Ponni Selvan Part 1. Producer Madras Talkies, director Maniratnam. The best Punjabi film is Bagi Di Thi, The Daughter of a Rebel. Producers G-Next Media Private Limited, and the director is Mukesh Gautam. The best Odia film is Daman. Producer JP Motion Pictures and directors Vishal Maurya and Devika Prasad. The best Malayalam film is Saudi Velaka, which is Saudi Baby Coconut CC 225209. That's the name. Producers Urvashi Theatres and directors Tarun Murthy. The best Marathi film goes to Valvi, The Termite. Producer is Mayasabha Karmanik Manduli, director Paresh Mokashi. The best Kannada film goes to KGF Chapter 2. Producers Homale Films, directors Prashant Neel. The best Hindi film goes to Gulmohar. Producer is Star India Private Limited and director is Rahul Chitala. Best Bengali film goes to Kaberi Antardan. Producer is Sundar Films and the director is Kaushik Ganguly. Best Assami film is Emuthi Puthi, which is a very fishy Finnish strip, produced by Metronomal Motion Pictures and directed by Kunandi Mahanta. The Best Action Direction Award, which is also called Stunt Choreography, is KGF Chapter 2. The stunt choreographer is Han Barib. I'm sorry I may be pronouncing some names wrong, but then the best choreography is for a Tamil film, Thiruchuti Balam, choreographer Jani Master and Satish Krishnan. Best lyrics goes to a Haryanvi film called Fauja. The lyricist is Naushad Sadar Khan. And I also would like to mention that as far as national integration goes, this is a true example of that, where we have a patriotic film directed by a Haryanvi and lyrics are from a Muslim gentleman. So we are talking about communal harmony, which I think is an advantage to this film. Best music direction. The best music director for songs goes to Preetham from Brahmastra. The best music director for background music goes to Punyan Salman Part 1 by A.R. Rahman. The best makeup goes to the Bengali film Aparajito, The Undefeated. The makeup artist is Somnath Kundu. Best costume designer is for a Gujarati film Kutch Express. The costume designer is Nikki Joshi. Best production design again goes to the Bengali film Aparajito. Production designer is Anand Adhyaya. The best editing goes to a Malayalam film called Atam, The Ploy. The editor is Mahesh Bhuvanan. Best sound design again goes to Punyan Selvan Part 1, which is a Tamil film. Sound designer is Anand Krishnamurthy. Best screenplay writer is Atam, the Malayalam film Atam, from the Anand Ekarashi, and dialogue writer is Gulmohar. Dialogues written by Arpito Mukherjee and Rahul Chitala. Best cinematography is Punyan Selvan, Part 1, and the cinematographer is Ravi Varman. Best female playback singer is Saudi Velaka CC225209. Malayalam film, the singer is Bombay Jayashree. The best male playback singer is for Brahmastra Part 1. The singer is Arijit Singh. The best child artist is in the film Malika Poonam. The child artist is Sripath, who receives this honor. Best actress in a supporting role is for the film Unchai, the character of Zeenat, which is played by Neena Gupta. The best actor in a supporting role is for the film, Haryanvi film, Fauja, and the supporting actor is Pawan Raj Malhotra. The best actress in a leading role, this is tied. So we have two winners. There is Trichurat Balam Tamil. The lady is Nitya Menon. And the second one is Kutch Express, the Gujarati film, where the actress is Mansi Parekh. The best actor in a leading role is Rishabh Shetty for Kantara. The best director for the year goes to Unchai. Director's name is Suraj Bajatia. Best film in AVGC, that is animation, visual effects, gaming, comic, etc., is Subramashtra Part 1. Producer Dharma Productions, Prime Focus, Starlight Pictures. Director Ayon Mukherjee and VFX supervisor Joykar Odro, Vinal Thakkar and Nilish. Best feature film promoting national, social or environmental values is the Gujarati film Kutch Express. And the producer is Saul Sutra and director is Viral Shah. Providing wholesome entertainment by Rishabh Shetty. The best debut of a director goes to the Haryani film Fauja. Director is Pramod Kumar. The best feature film in the whole this thing has been a film, a Malayalam film called Atam, produced by Joy Movie Productions and directed by Anand Ekrachi. This, ladies and gentlemen, are the awards for the year 2022. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we'll have the question answer session. Please introduce yourself and the organization.
Nobody has any questions. That's fine.
Nobody has a question?
No. There's no question.
If
Who is it?
there's no question, can we
There's no
conclude
question?
this session? Yeah, you here. Mike, it said.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I am Santosh Mehta. I am a journalist and covered many film festivals.
Yes.
I would like to know how long this process went on for, selecting documentary and feature films,
Documentaries, I think.
I mean,
non-feature
non-feature.
film.
Non-feature, it took 10 days. It's like 11 days actually in total. We saw 128 films.
And
And
feature
for
films.
feature,
Feature films, as Brindaji said, is in two parts. There is a regional channel first, and then there is a central jury. The regional channel took about a month to shortlist films for the central panel. And what came out of the central panel were 50 odd films, and that took us 16 days to arrive at this.
Number 96. There. Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving awards to the national films. My question goes on that don't you have a popular film category? First question. The second is you are not giving prize and this is okay, but the money is also important. So why don't you give money to the film people, because they also need money, I suppose.
Sir, there is a cash prize involved, which I have not worked out as part of things.
3 lakhs each.
3 lakhs and 2 lakhs each. And as far as the popular film goes, we have given that award to Kantara. So, Wholesome Entertainment is the film we give the award to.
Number 271.
Yeah, Venkatraman from Dinamala. How many Tamil films have taken participation in this competitions? And how come Ponniyin Selvan has been, part 1 has been selected as the best film, Tamil film?
Oh, pardon, I couldn't get you, sir. Could you just repeat that question, please?
How many Tamil films have taken participation in this competition?
How many Tamil films have taken
Yeah.
part in the competition?
And, sir?
What's the second question?
No, here's something else.
How many Tamil films have taken participation?
Yes, sir.
And how come this Ponniyin Selvan part 1 have been selected as the best Tamil film?
Sir, all these selections are unanimous from the jury, and the finer details, I think, stay within the jury itself. I'm not in a position to talk about them. And as far as the number of Tamil films go, how many were there in all? Does anybody? There were 4 Tamil films. In the central panel.
In the central panel.
In the central panel sent up from the regional panel, there were 4 films sent to the central panel. To the central panel, regional panel and more.
From the Tamil language.
Yeah, Tamil language, regional and more, 4 were selected by them.
Number 279. 279, please. Change the mic.
Hi, my question is to Joint Secretary. Ma'am, now we are announcing the 2022 award. Actually, we are 1 year behind, like because of the COVID. And is there any process to, keeping the award timely, like in the sense to the?
Yes, we are trying hard. And we would soon call for the 71st NFA. Entries would soon start, and we would try to announce the awards by the end of this year so that we can catch up with the 2024 awards by January or February next year. So we are trying hard for that. Thank you.
Anybody else? Right,
So
sir?
thank you, friends. We conclude this session. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Refreshments and high teas on the 4th floor canteen.